Are you ready to unlock the secrets of meal prepping, a practice that can transform your eating habits and lead to a healthier lifestyle? Meal Prep Tips for a Healthier Lifestyle is your guide to understanding the art of planning and preparing meals in advance. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the world of meal prep, unveiling the tips and strategies that can help you make nutritious and delicious choices a part of your daily routine. 1. The meal prep mystery. In the opening paragraph, introduce the meal prep mystery, a concept that may have intrigued you but left you wondering about its effectiveness. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to demystifying meal prepping and how it contributes to a healthier lifestyle. 2. Understanding meal prep. Begin by defining what meal prep is and why it's vital for a healthier lifestyle. Describe how it involves planning, cooking, and portioning your meals in advance, making it easier to maintain a nutritious diet. 3. Benefits of meal prep. Delve into the numerous benefits of meal prep, from saving time and money to reducing food waste and ensuring that you consistently make healthy food choices. 4. Smart planning. Discuss the importance of smart planning when it comes to meal prep. Explain how creating a meal plan, setting dietary goals, and considering your individual nutritional needs are the foundation for successful meal prep. 5. Balanced and nutritious meals. Explore how meal prep can help you create balanced and nutritious meals. Emphasize the importance of incorporating a variety of food groups, such as lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. 6. Efficient cooking techniques. Share insights into efficient cooking techniques that can save you time and make meal prep less daunting. Mention tips like batch cooking, using slow cookers, and preparing ingredients in bulk. 7. Proper storage and portion control. Discuss the significance of proper storage and portion control. Explain how investing in quality containers and understanding serving sizes can help maintain the freshness and nutritional value of your prepped meals. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that meal prep tips for a healthier lifestyle isn't just about a single week of prepared meals, it's a long-term commitment to making nutritious choices a seamless part of your daily routine. Encourage readers to view meal prep as an essential strategy for achieving and sustaining their wellness goals. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of meal prep but will also be motivated to incorporate this practice into their lifestyle, making healthful choices more accessible and sustainable. Meal Prep Tips for a Healthier Lifestyle is a journey into a world of culinary and nutritional wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to maintain your wellness journey. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages that come with mastering the art of meal prep for a healthier and more balanced life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.